Share the eba no. Abrocheri chanko fuechi. Manasseh Azuri. Yawedu. And then I say I come at yesi eye Manasseh Azuri. Akwana wasay eye entafo any srebufo embe bunu. And then ochochon kwasi asem ewo eye social media. Makache Ghana for. Me can asem we na manfo njimindi. Manasseh Azuri or say until I traveled or dying. Now to Ghana now DJ bribe and now the ball bra. Aha, $1 put enough for obe bre bruta. Munyi na mbesa kufi. Until I traveled, I didn't trust any research that said Ghanaians were happier than people in some more advanced country. Depression has set in. Why did they say or your statement they said you will be neka or boa or noa? Depression has set in. Or bre no what chireno. Omunyo munsu adwuma okrom ha o. Ekrom ha. Yani abo captain's man. Yani ye as I get so wa ha. Asamwe Jan, Dede Ayo, the Pele, Abedi, Yanni, captain for ha. Azuri is on your depression. Instead of when you're in your depression, or being a depression, but only I am for my coffee on my woo, but they may come be beachable. Or so to say, life in Abrochire is nowhere near the glamour you see in photographs. Reality they hate it. Depression will fall in no, or be breathfucking. Only you have a breast, my catch them. And I'll say, if you have a decent job in Ghana, think carefully before abandoning it and traveling abroad. You may regret it. But say, Azuri ti abroche mo bi di ne yere Ghana, pressure. Once na ufri Ghana uni adwuma. Ena na oba na hwe Ghana. Ena also kwa abroja ko ye de masters, say PhD. Obaba ne anyem no. Amanfo ba sa amanfo. Komisa le win. Die na ri nyina ba hu zan korane nyina nsa o bodam. Amanfo go America this year almost 1 year ni omu oba to ho da esa na ma yere baba spams no efo ba oma twetwe omo be ma na omo dada mofo bonkum eni mo nyina omo tumi nya adwuma ewia anadwudwuma na omo ye cleaning yeni mo nyina amanfo ye cleaning na abo obe ye cleaning obe bo wo bo dam okore se amanfo school mu no mo ye cleaning na any supermarket anajo 11:30-12 ai no mo cleaning abo hu boso ma bo ai ubetwitwi toilet ma bo na why what bodam and depression ababa chi Azuri. Now you see, and on a normal day this shouldn't be funny, but you see the number of lives Manasseh Azuri through his corrupt, fraudulent journalism or practicing in Ghana. This guy Azuri, he has destroyed more lives in the northern region than any journalist in this country. Ghana. In any serious country, and Kobi and Ajumi will never entertain Manasseh Azuri. Sir, Ejuma Okoye say in confirmed to millions of people in the north and Kombenya Juma today, Kwasia, you are telling people not to travel to abroad. You are telling people not to travel to abroad after you destroyed lives in the northern region. Manasseh Azuri, one person, because of bribe and fraud, any negative publicity, and this power, and journalism never. And when Mahama was in power in 2015, this boy deliberately destroyed lives. Now, when you go to the north, the poverty now are riddled through the northern region. It is Manasseh Azuri. He is the greatest enemy of the northern region. Yepe Obia or did the journalism essay northern region. Sada was one of the biggest and greatest social interventions in the history of Ghana. Akon northern region. Sada is one of the biggest, the greatest social intervention, policy abibidi ba ya call northern region. Manasseh Azuri di Gabi Okatakyie Afrifa 1,000 Ghana pe and destroyed the whole of the northern region. That guy is a foolish boy. And it's me fu. Kwasi ampenyi and after destroying lives here, and oyira yan kwasi adwuma nya siketwa ticket na mo betra broche catch Ghana for say nobody should come to abroad. Abua o spams na ya boa for tirimeboa. O twetwe wo be ma no ada. Into any tia abroche nye abuofunu ka winya opportunity to be a journalist no. Sada was something that you were supposed to protect. Manasseh Azuri, when him say ayuwom Ayowa, when him say ayuwom, Kwasi Ampenyi, you got the opportunity to speak truth. You didn't do it. Osiwa ko wisa confirm to osrem ko Burkina. Na Kwasi Ampenyi webusu mebu abeifo, to free krom ko Burkina. And such a foolish idiot. We allow this guy consistently and Ford bribe by there's nothing genuine, honest about this dirty riffraff. And the depression at Chino. Catch a Ghana for say I so be cracker san kabruche da mameka be binchemo. Let me tell you people the truth. Manasseh Azuri, a buofunu. I feel you to chon be ma shema into depression at you. Me say at a point over to Johnson Kwana be ban kwasiafo, you people don't listen. Moti Ghana, ana ma adwene say obia respect mo na mo di bokro no gigisi kwasiasika na mo throw fake stories to destroy people. Today you, after destroying the North, you are the greatest enemy of the North. Every young person from 2015 have been there. You have destroyed lives. Sada, and Quebec created over 15 million jobs nationwide. Northern region alone, less than 3 million people from the South even joining them to create jobs in the Northern region. And these were jobs, it was going to be jobs created by the people themselves. Yeah, the Juma Ba, yeah, be Duanuya, yeah, be Nyan Emwa, yeah, Babe create a Juma Manipa. Now, the Kwasia Kojisiko people say, Messeno, 10-year boa. 10-year boa. What say Sada Rivieno? Mahamudu Bawumiani MPP by power. They changed Sada into NDA. You could not find any scandal on that. A foolish fool. Today you are telling us to say life in Abrochire is hard. You are not even supposed to be here in the first place. You are not even supposed to be here because you alone, you have destroyed millions of lives in the northern region. You, Manasseh Azuri. And I am Yase in tough war. They allow this guy to come to the north and walk and go back to the south. I don't understand. You allow this guy. You people need to question him. Manasseh Azuri, he has destroyed. And the kaya yenibi abehuna wedi less than 20 years, 50 years be or Accra or Kumasi or Sosanyama. Manasseh Azuri causes our problem no. Because I am very sure, say, about 70% of the young people are, and the almost also Kumasi, Accra, Takradi, and we are in Tafuoro, and Azuri and Bessa fake story about Nkokwe 2, in confirmed 2, and all those people, common parents, any mobatina, and Momatu Ayenipa, Ewo, Srim, and so Azuri Kwasi Ampenyi way, or didn't say Yakani. He just came up there and destroyed a whole social intervention program, about changing lives of the people in the north. A foolish fool today. And obi di ne yere o Ghana o chabrochire e ka den kwasiafo he ma meka bi nche Ghana for se yakase obi di scholarship aba brochire a ayana san ko for mo nka na kura nchire mo scholarships egu so many forms mo. There are different kinds of scholarships. And yakase obi kwa brochire ko scholarships ana okonya scholarship kwa brochire en chire se oba krom ha no edwuma da homa no oni adwuma. Some of the schools in America, Europe, some schools in Ghana have a partnership on some programs. Some of the schools in America, no, what happens, and they say, because of their history, no, they don't want, in the modern day, America, no, people see them as a school, predominantly a white school, and I say, purely American. They want to diversify the school. What they do is, schools be Africa. Some tertiary institutions be now my partnership. And sometimes the person doesn't have to be intelligent to have scholarship. And you'll be our scholarship be the name and so abio. A automatic school school no partnership no. Into every year be school say. So if somebody is willing to pay their fee, and I say willing to pay for their ticket and willing to come in and take this course, they will give that person the opportunity. It does not mean say because a scholarship onim adio. No, 90% of people on scholarship omunim adie. A opportunity and omunya. 90% of this scholarship abrochire say and may independent where the next could be no tiado mutia. So say I case will be scholarship and that scholarship will be abrochire and just what waben. 90% of almost brochire, almost is depression at your sometimes you listen to them, I saw Chinomubu. And I steady here. Sometimes when you listen to them, I saw him so Chinombu. I said, BB Hantiomo. I saw, am I depressed? That is when people try to challenge themselves, when people envy people, they want to be like people, and they try to take up things that Omankasa don't end to me handle. Into the end game will be that Obetma spending a whole year too. One kasa who say empty because you are not learning anything. You are in the depressed mood, which is going to affect you for the rest of your life. It's majority of best scholars who are not psychologically, not when you're stable. Into bon say, almost started than counselors. About almost started now for mu 2-4. So I know when they started, by 3 months no bodam. Let's be very fair here. In conformal scholarship, don't see them so much. And you see, their problem is because a hand tiny nyama womasono, yakaso omunye juma, qualification and experience into what they will do. And they say it's either they go and do cleaning. Cleaning is so omutumi day diano. Day diano omo ferisi ebechi omo so omo paper toilet so omo chichi jonso. Omo cut grass. Into what they do is they take night jobs. Into 90% of them, they work as night workers. Ebi mu shisha chips. Minimum omo around East Coast ha. Omo echichi Jones toilet. Okona se brush kuta omo na chicha. Ebi to be bogu omo ho. No ma you say. Hey. Me say ultimu bema mua. Bema o. Ai. Hey. We chichia mo wabo we bilingwa okona se washisha gloves na kukura oti here no I say who is there or just a Ghana niba Johnson boga munim jesi it Manasseh mu say no a depression. They cannot do any job in America. Manasseh Azori on to me America me $20 an hour or 30. He can't get that job. Anyway, certification who is going to employ him? At their experience, he cannot be a journalist in America. Which media house is going to employ Manasseh Azori? And the other buffoons. And they are depressed. Almost them no pepe. Almost pono chen bibia. Obekono mubutumpaso. Na 1 year oba na beje America na wabetina abuofunu. Omo twetwe omo be ma na omo yamra na afi omo start text. Mike omo cha broche na obi di na yire an. Dia na obeka kwasia uniska. Anadwi mi no ka sei obi yiri ni ho Wisconsin oni ho. Ye di wo yire dia na obeye. Wo so akofia ntumi ma. Into also China with time no so. Into bon say who exhaust time ni nyere na wo nya hwe. Ubeko fie no na wafefo no enye sika chen na ma bobra chen na wo ni America fo nkwara na te class into Manasseh mo no a depression ye mo adwuma so mo beso mbeye muso amuni certification muso America mo ntia ase me ne okasa na adwi ye di gofo yire wo Ghana ene de obetuma kema ye emuna aya bibia ye be di wo yire de na beye one solid year na oba na o yedua etia na chi epanyan epanyan ultimi nya hwe okasa ukoso ultimi ma ya rough inti obeso what's what dane motivational speaker abrochire ebi na ato akwa we no inti omuduru fia na afia omhye obi abrochire de jack obeso onyina duru fia abrochire I don't expect you to go there abrochire no abrochire de I ewoma also be so chiro book obeso ade be chire wo to abodam enche ebe si mo ga Kevin your prophet dam na ehye ba ehye dam so ehye te say bricks. Yeah, we wiase pa ne say wabetre obi manso na wote obi basement na sebio uni jacket papa wa uni car na sebio sunu ato na we chronic BP wo hypertension kese we obi a BP just everyday be agina 900,000 na wunya duane pandi na wunya obi a enkon ho na wobetena kromo a wotumi calculate wunya $1,000 kra na adia sana wokotwan bus akotwitwi toilet so na wotumi tena na ofra wo yire aka kram wako clock in na ofra wo yire na onfa na wo check Ghana time about 9:15 wotumi fra wo yire na onfa oboso be check no asaba online na okọ na uhu dia wonya wo ho na I say wo tete wotumi twitwi toilet so kakra na obehwe wo phone say wo yire afra but unim dia wondwene iti girl ye say din biem na wakoma ebo ubipi abasro obre uniska obi do yiri de bia a dangerous thing Boga, it is not a joke. It is one of the most painful things in life. Intabasana, obinya sika na utano. Almost obi ya well, obi is doing well na utano because debiano obi a suspect. Intabasana se onyonko kura. Ebasana se onyonko kura mpo e sheda free Ghana na obon suspect because obeso check say what is say we do yire ana. Into omo do yire so meta afra pa wo no text what's up we do yire da. Na say what town nim yenim de ekọ. Omo meta text no ojam na de na ekọ. Ai wo anu afra ba ko na school na so yetitimo be ndeng. Scholarship ai na bibia fine o check say unwu ya. Odefo no to so na o yire to kwasi ampanyi. Kwasi ato obema sa na wo so obipi. Inti ade ya e wo wiase no untumi nya hwe because okay so ko Ghana so a ukoduru adwuma be na akoye wo so untumi ma inti ayesa na ya din loneliness and then e kon be boy lonely I am so lonely you chop be my wife you know me lonely I am so lonely you chop be my wife I cannot know. It's a best of pressure. Me say, I'm on for no. We are going for a quick commercial break. Bodio! Yeah! Bodio! Yeah! Bodio! Yeah! Bodio! Bodio! Yeah! Bodio! Yeah! Bodio! Yeah! Bodio! Yeah! Bodio! Era the internet is no internet way. Era there go bo. Say you ya check. Yeah, we do be piakoso. All right, we are sure. Hey team, about 10 o yenye show back kra. Nchirechire bu a onsha akọ. Ai, onsha akọ. Now, mama yan fa dwuma de tete so. Hwe, obeda, aha na obeda, abuofunu. Mo de Ghana na asoso mo so, kwasiafo, ene e be scholarship na Azuri kekan kwasiasam. De na yasa waba. Na obipi abasoro, oso obipi we de hoda da sa na tie. He, ubewu. America BP do any counter so a chocolate of doctor prescribe amount. Into by bibidro sa until we saw ya dear papa or we bibidro African shop rakoto. I dear better than 130, I dear better than 280. Who won or one? I also go to toilet so because basement now shall also tia. Obi basement now shall also tia. Into sana basana or te corner ba cope I who sana bo diamond. Me case to Ghana on share project biansi one cassa would dime poa. Ebi our 5 bedrooms we are wow dear. Inti baby I do say ayeka. Ye do yire bodio. Yeah. With your winning. Now let me talk about something very important. Now there's another story. Mami we your friend of Patricia Appiah Abrewa Poso. Why Abrewa flat. Oyi entuma na yesheshe nufu asira edane ha. Awo bekum ho. Oyi entuma na yesheshe nufu asina ne nufu dane ha. And the wabeka asemi or say, I have not lobbied for any running mate position. But if it comes, I will accept it because I am willing to serve the party. I won't some way Jimmy. More people for Sanko for some way Jimmy. Patricia Appiah toothpaste bien we bet my happen na sen egu de numa asai toothpaste bien to be muano we keke wie ayeka why tete ice cake Patricia Appiah say ono de onko kan kire ba omi ase ope eye de running mate bi edi na mom asantini ba de bra de na mom ono de onkan kire ba omi agimigimi no ono de onko gira baby ase ope running mate bi aye na mom no se ba omi agimi na obefa ne dia one dia opese osom Ghana wa bodam opese osom Ghana ka se opese osom party opese osom ne party they say an competitor e your say mensa bosu papa na osi ejana bia na eya bronsan wo so ame no Oseche Mensa Bosu on the simsi toilet. Not toilet no we sin a bronsign. Kwasiafo we. Until you see all these people in politics. Omu nyina nim say na po Jimmy. Omu nyina nim say mameka bi nchro. The MPP, that limited liability company, is a tribal party. Mahamudu Bawumia betuma ring chine boto. He has no option than to pick an Ashanti. Because that decision is coming from Mensia. And enye otu for they take you. Eya akonyano, a pesano, eya kotokono, eya asanteman they take that decision about Bawumia. Until right now, no, the speculations about Bawumia running mate, no, it is going to be centered around Asantini. That is what makes the party a dangerous political party. They don't care about anybody. They feel say Bawumia oye 10 year omunjinindi no aircono. So many Santini mananya running mate a party be free omunsa. Tie. This is how they feel. MPP for party nankasa emun kokora ne mrewane nkwara. Oma dwunimu no. Because party ni asante for party na ya chichiri no menhia no. Se omoma Bawumia ko no omoma Bawumia well ne se onkoyi de opa. Bawumia Jimmy wanhwe akwa yikroboni. Bawumia dwene wo fom ebia na akoyi infantini. Bawumia na adwene mu ha ebia na akoyi inkrani. Na adwene mu ha ebia na akoyi ahunani. Na adwene mu ha ebia na akoyi edie kusasini. Omutu nim se ade ba kwa aka a omude kasekedwa ho no party no. Asanteman asantefo nyoma mienu nende ema asante ya asante MPP no mo ha dom no eni sekedwa. Inti they are not going to allow Bawumia to take that decision because they know when they allow him to take that decision, Bawumia will take the party from the Ashanti region. Because in the first place, or you're 10 and 10 years to the one your friends me and tough for moi. I want to take a decision in the interest of Asante. Wega, me job. 10 years will never take any decision. Sebio obey Asante priorities. Asante and for swa. Anything I call Asante memua. Yetumi kachire entafo no mo so aso adwoma ne se. Monye se momba mompa ye na momba dani Asante for ye ni Asante for mbeda ni abrofu. So they have never considered entafo at the same level as them. And in 2020, in 2024, they told Bawumia, you need to select Asantini and Okoyi Bodam ni Napo. The party, at the end of the day, the bile of the party, it was almost started Patricia PJ, because you see, they cannot go out of Asantini as running mates. And that is a case, a diabo ya to party so. Ya boya page any additional patoso any idea santukosu ashoso omuntumi film the moment on be free sarcasm no party will collapse on Asanteman. Won't you see me show what the MPP represents. So this lady is lobbying ohun won say onimnyansa che Oseche Mensa Bonsu because Oseche Mensa Bonsu mami we ehun say we Jimmy it was Oseche Mensa Bonsu who told Ghana for say omo de Bawumia ko. And as someone lose election 2024, they are going to stay in opposition for 16 years, 12 to 16 years. And the Oseche Mensa Bonsu catch the MP before say Omunyan running mate. Now catch said the moment they lose the 2024 elections, it will take them 16 years to come back to power. Why do you now want to be the running mate? It is because Oseche Mensa Bonsu was anti-for the dwana the MPP nechi so mwe Jimmy. And it's na mami we so starting lobby. So she's lobbying indirectly. And these people, they pay journalists to ask them these kind of questions. Send your beya or Becca say, Enyamina Mikayo, Yebusami, Nembum, say Bawumia, may lobby for Bawumia running mate. Dabi Dabio, Nembum, as Anticasano no Casano. Nembum. Or say, I have not lobbied for any running mate position, but Nembum, if it comes, Nebadia. Say a badia. Mami we de dia afenyo market ti sa akokọ mami penyin toto afenyo market kwase ampenyo kasa pe no die chire se otwe yenko Jimmy ni ejimi yenko tena form no akotena form yenwura kokọ ase owura kokọ ase mami we at her age kon constituency kohwe enye ye ni asantifo bi na ye Jimmy aka mami we she should never continue being an MP. But Mama Patricia de and was a man in a Kugwa de when you see them and they hear the constituents na omudi Jimmy to her and a mami we running on what to send Kenika. But I'll be happy if this Nikenika is picked because this woman is not different from Napo. Every day. You see, KK upon Irini, where they are you travel for come and ye twa fufuo amana tonkwan mu. She is another fake ass negress. Wemo. He tete politics na yenye due diligence. Na yen busa questions. Na yen scrutinize people no man ko fo efe bu be MPs. I'm telling you. Na mama we okasana wutie na you can see say how did we get this woman still being a member of parliament? We above 4:30 na adwene na shut down. Dia ka nyina ebu. We about 8:30 kwa dia ka nyina ebu so mimu o e na mempada e na minso hye no we mu no they cannot reason again adwene ne nya adwuma. Party number so low to the point they say Patricia PJ so nya running mate obeye. You know the reason? Because party no whatever they will do mameka be wrong. The NPP as a political party se bodam ni krana sebio oya santinia omden be join the Baumia they will do it. Almost say ye ton to me near the maame wo hwa fa maame kwaji tumi no na agi tumi ni wi a odi akwaje maame me say the MPP say edru point mi na omo pese Baumia efom hunipa the person can be a madman on the street of Ghana ombedware de ama Baumia because some of my party ne fia santimemu de and then come the Baumia bodam di be ma Baumia na ko and that is what the party represents. MPP standard, a limited liability company which has a lot of limited liability commodities in it as politicians. And I know what I'm talking about. This is the NPP. Utien's statement now. I will accept it because I am willing to serve the party. She does not care about Ghana. Sad decisions no more taking any sad positions no more penal. And to say they see it say a party in Guano Mojino. Patricia PJ is talking about party. She doesn't even care about the nation. Or say she's willing to serve the party. But you use a running mate, and then because of party, you use a running mate. You use the never serve or minor in that capacity. But you see, because she's myopic. Because na nina because or a tribal politician, she's only looking at the party, not Ghana as a whole. It's a woman opportunity to serve her. Bibia Ejimimu MPP. Bibia Ejimimu MPP. Yankosha Gele, Yankosha Mukonko, Yankosha T-shirt. Where they are anti-war party. Ya de anti-asia. Itumi abeka yansadie. Denim de abeye. Yani eko. Inti aninyi akoye okoji amai kind of language. Yanko kuntokwa ene ye nana ene ye wofase ene ye de entiase o ye de nchirafo kun ye ene tensuo na ten ene tonsuom ene nkwasiasem krankeka saa. They are not going to think about the nation as a whole. Mamenchawa DVLA and Ghana Police MTTD to clamp down on users of 2025 DV plates and expired DP stickers from Tuesday, March 2024. DVLA 4, Omni MTTD, Police Department MTTD 4, almost say Tuesday, what Ghana be a Uchi DV plate 2025 and I really support this move by DVLA and MTTD. There are a lot of young boys and young girls in the system, especially car dealers or more Ghana. But Breno are taking advantage of the system. In fact, MTTD and DVLA Tuesday, they should make sure they arrest every single person on the street of Ghana or driving DV plate a year 2025. Why do you have to still be driving DV plate a year 2025? Most of the cars I work Ghana and Kofochi are stolen cars. Most of the DV plates are a year 2025 DV plates. Cars are stolen cars. Sa car dealers no more Ghana na Ghana na so more take advantage of the system. Car mutumi de ba na ma be rewind the car na there in the mileage. Na mo saba na ma be chika na be 4 years. Na mo da ho 2025 ka hono. DVLA and MTTD they should start arresting into Tuesday. Where there almost a announcement in the mamo. Omo be start ya chichemu amuchi DVLA number plate a year 2025. In fact, the IGP and the Ghana Police Service they should all make sure way omo take serious measures to stop it. En kwase semna kwaso Ghana near too much. Ofu bia ba 2025 DVLA. You 2026. Why are you still driving 2025 DVLA plates? Why? Eche we kromfo, eche we armed robber, eche we wi. A car now, what on, open so bunipa. go and take 2026 DVLA plates. So bet me akojia. And I like what this DVLA boss is doing. There are so many people who don't like him, and I don't care. But you see, for a very long time, we didn't know, say, somebody could come and handle DVLA, or bet me take key decisions and make DVLA very prominent in conversations. Today, a lot of people know a lot about DVLA. Now, her satellite offices are Obia Ghana. All falls under the 24-hour economy. And they're all different communities are not DVLA satellite office anymore. And this young man, this guy is not even over 38 years. A young man. And he has changed the face of DVLA. And all our number plates in the future, and they are going to be number plates. You can sit at home and know who owns the car, where the car is coming from, where it was registered, with just clicking a button. And this is the innovation we have always been wanting. And the new DVLA boss is doing marvelous. And I know, say, frustrating, no, MPP for now, your mom fake contract, no mu dupia from DVLA. Mamika be binchro. Sanko for na muka some DVLA court because of number plate at the adeno. Sanko for no MPP momu fake contracts. And they no mo say na omu plate good system nim. DVLA boss we buy no say that should not happen to Ghanaians. Into a block Sanko si adeno mo no. Omu started some the court because he's trying to correct the system. Into Juma, this young man is doing a DVLA, a DVLA boss. No? We should not underestimate the job he's doing. In fact, this young man is cleaning the system at a point. Uber to be Shianipa, not car ochi, number plates crying. Now, then, and the 2026, almost in April. Now, down with 2025 DVLA plate. We are crown for. Are you a thief? And they say, Wuna we a car dealer na oton cars na o down issue DVLA 2025 plates. You are an armed robber and the police should go after you. Also police want to car dealers no Ghana na omo ede 2025 DVLA plate e man ko for so munchino. And the uti bana obi nam Ghana na ochi foreign number. Obi tumo na ochi Belgium number, no ochi American number. Na obi o na ochi Togolese number. Mabubo down na moti Ghana. Then the Ghana na obi number plate foreign number to say Dutch number. Abroad diplomats they are forced to take DP or CV plates in Ghana. Now why na obechi foreign number car or Ghana. So I support this 100%. I support this 100%. On Tuesday, yes, so the civilians, we the citizens, we should also help the police and help the DVLA. So you nimse obi DVLA plate 2025. We should report the person to the police. So obi to neighborhood. On a say oya guy, ne car DVLA plate 2025. Report that person to the police. Mama nyina yambo police no, mama yambo DVLA. Ne yen cleaning system ne app. Da nyom nkwa na betima aboa. We are all there. When you see something, say something. So who be a kabibi? It's mommy and Trangana and Kasa Wedia, DVLA for Nkwa, and Jumano, MTTD for Nkwa and Juman. We as citizens, we also need to play our role. So what neighbor would move, that's also Obi or neighbor would him, or Chika be a 2025 DV plater, report the person to the police. Fred DVLA office, Fred police, no, and let them know that this guy, or the area, or DVLA, plate 2025, Mumba Cheno. Yen tufu how obese tufu a fashion Monday na sala na ye wie chiriwia no enti DVLA this initiative I support it 1,000%. Sa mo chinkofo a montwa video ni famre na membo na Ghana fo hu. Thank you very much. All right, another story and abedu say John Dramani Mahama abano asa aye another record and record in the government evacuates all Ghanaians in Israel who express desire to return home. You see, John Mahama Abino, through the foreign affairs minister, no Ghana for omunyina eti Israel, miankasa meyire ni krum. Omankasa ye omadwene so mbeso mbafie no, aban edi plane akotisa omo. Senka MPP Baomiamo time Russia Ukraine war started you know sanka omuma Ghana form war Russia any Ukraine that optional and majority of them and it we call Poland it we call neighboring countries ben Russia ni Ukraine and so Baomia any Kufuor did not care. That is why we got a lot of young people, young Ghanaians joining the war because they didn't have any option, either you fight or die. And so apart from some of them taking wrong decisions by being greedy and joining the armies, you know, whether Russians or Ukrainians, you know, some of them did not have any option. They were stuck in the middle of the war. They didn't have any option. I would rather join the army and also save my life than to be left in the middle to be killed. In Tinka, the MPP are banning in time a Russia-Ukraine war started, you know, if they had been proactive to say the NDC are proactive in there. Who say into Sibian Tokwane Kono, say Ghana Nibi or Israel, that's so befia. Why not go pick them up? So why when you're ready so stay there because a wow decision. But those who want to come home, who want to escape the war, no, a buy way, John Mahama buy way, to me after crime so akofo you know if you hold your Ghana. And that is what a government needs to do. This government is protecting Ghana for. Me kwasi ampanyi bi oya MPP chairman e was South Central ni nua be ma ba e was Israel abai we akofo na ba on kase nyamisha John Mahama or the kwasi at horse at the partem. And see, this is what governments do. Sadia we na aban ye say kase to abama aban ya pa aban ba ahokyere bi to ye so aban ne betumi aye bibia ma ye aban ne beto ahokyere a obetumi atoto to nyoma bi ma ahokyere aba fom aban ne betumi protect ye free nipa omafa ye ho adwene bone. And this is what the John Mahama administration is doing. Aban we to Israel a rent plane kakraka akache Ghana form was say wow pesa ukofie de ba food free and the abano I evacuate omunyina e de omaba Ghana. And this is what we want a government to be doing. So we applaud the John Mahama administration. We really applaud them for what they have done. And now by being to me last 2 weeks or last 3 weeks any kofa Baomia na yiri before no every kata ba Ghana yakota mo free kata Baomia o hodi tise kodu okọ eduro so one na yire no omje kata eduro ho inti ho no mkoye ena omko se omko akoton Ghana ena bomb koka wo hye ho John Mahama therefore ya ne safa plane kofa Baomia ni tise kodu ena ni tina plane mu de ne baaye. So you have to understand, say, Abanweno, it does not care who you are and which affiliation, a political or religious affiliation. Abanwe is several Ghana for. And John Mahama, Anka John Mahama, Baomia, and then a year before, and Como. We got. Me say, Anka John Dramani Mahama, Abanwe, Anka Baomia, and a year before, and Como Wakata. Omuko Edroso. Baomia Ireno still does not understand how Baomia lost the elections in 2024. Yes. Edrobia peso dibi. Edrobia Samira peso dibi. Now we di edrobone. Samira Baomia we di edrobone. Ebetua can sim. In the new group election or Louisiana, this woman is still walking around looking for black power to determine why, to know why Baomia lost the elections. Oh, worry about Beifua. They are told no. Oh, worry about Beifua. That is what you get. And Kenya John Mahama intended Baomia first ne oyi or the moment above for ma opejanity no ka allow wakubado no asaka say ami John Mahama abofunu Kenya John Mahama kamo kamo mo flag bearer nko why ni tise kodu Baomia ni tise santi kodu yanko enim Umpa masem so na wo hwe mafra wo bodam. Umpa masem enso de bia wo hwe mi show mafra wo ha. The President of the Republic John Dramani Mahama, he is moving around the nation inspecting projects. And he is inspecting projects because onye lazy president, onye liliput. Onti se Kufuor da obetuni da hye high sense fridge mu akata so na odi ebia emo ene ede abenkwan ahyem na still ebekum. Na na adodan Kufuor do high sense fridge kese no obetuni na wurem. Now the ammonia bank shenchen. Now the air cabbage round one kesia shenchen. Now the jane butter kakribia shim and sana why ice cube any ode abile was ashisha sro unu abile was still ebekum oya kukuru ebi o me kan sana do mama Kufuor say di pabi na na do dan Kufuor do ubi high sense fridge no kese ni mu a obetu di na wurem na wasa the abile was ashisha sro fan yogo now the air cabbage kese di bia shenchen. Odi emo a yanua emon asantemo a egu chansim ahye top ho na wo de aben kwan ankasa ye nyandiye na wo de nso ahye ase ansa na ase na etwetwe no wo de adwene atutum aloko no Ekufo Addo bekom enti onye nipa bia o ye extraordinary bia o Ekufo Addo de wo ye fridge commodity lele put now mama chawa there John Dramani Mahama and he's out and working. Sunyani Airport to be expanded for commercial flights. Yeah, you know, the MPP for Kumasi Airport, Sunyani Airport, and then conform what that side of Bono. Flight Bakoko Sunyani, it takes another 4 or 5 days before flight Bako because the airport, you know, they could not expand it. But we the contract man in Bema, Samira Nya, omu discarding in Asedo. And John Mahama said the Sunyani Airport needs to be expanded. Because they are going to be having a lot of universities. They are going to have a lot of factories. Into the airport needs to be expanded. Into the NDC government, led by John Mahama, almost say, almost expanding Sunyani Airport in a runway. You can say runway now. Airport in a baby, not baby a plane I can see to miss you. Sunyani Airport, no plane I can say to miss you. If we say airport in runway in 8 years, and an airport in a facility in Ankasa. So Mahama wants to open up the Bono region because you can't first in Ghana. The Bono is the food basket of Ghana. Upe bebia anka sebio asasene ye kwayane ye ekuya ekoye pa is in the Bronx Half region. And those are places we need to basically expand when it comes to infrastructure. Ekwano elsia ye ye anything John Mahama eye sampa to jene or make sure say ekwan ewo bunu nyina no ye betuma ye ye se ne be ya nnuane afiri hoba any adwade afiri hoba no sebio ni nyina be free flowing and se ne be ya ye betuma nya de nipa akọ ye adwuma e di nnuane aba na ye bie eye bunum. In the NDC Abano, they want to expand the region. They want to make sure say the region is more active when it comes to business, transaction, people flying in and flying out. People want to go open or establish businesses there. Factories, the John Mahama administration want to open Bono up. Because all steady power Ghana. So we a Ashanti region. Now say we open another region power apart from Volta region. And come to the next capital of the nation. Bono is one perfect place, perfect environment. In fact, you can do everything in the Bono region. Say eba in Sua, they get perfect rainfall. Say eba asasi ankasa ope eye virgin forest papa Bono region. Ope eye asasi edaswa landscape near better Bono region. Ope bebia strategically it has been positioned in a way map also it is the center of Ekro Ghana na the Bono region. So Bono region is not just a region, it's a region we can tap a lot from. The amount of concentration I was say called Bono hono. Your money koho say you be Bono nimne you expand Bono more, make it more accessible and more industrial. Bono region can serve Ghana a lot than a lot of the regions in Ghana. Enti John Mahama who likes when we say Bono is one region and he say it didn't grow. And he said to Tunasi, I was say you invest more in Bono region. So he's thinking of expanding the airport. Matisse over the university koho. I've seen a road project and I will expect to say John Mahama's administration about 24-hour economy, a farmer service center now more enko Bono because that is where we get a lot of farmers doing real farming and yet la sule life farming and yet mayaka kra wa ha mayaka kra oko Bono a na say ye fuo. And if the government is willing to pump money into our agriculture sector, farmers they should look at Bono well because there are a lot of farmers who are willing to work, willing to produce, willing to grow a lot of what we eat. And I believe say the agri minister should look at Bono very, very well and put a lot of money in Bono when it comes to the agri sector. The farmer service center, Moma do one in Koho, said the mayor Equafo do no more, able to me a more. I am more of the family we want because Obagana ha. Baby ekuya pa sebio eduane ni so eni eduane fi one about him say we di eduane ni Bono we all know is the food basket of the nation. So we should not see Bono as one of those regions. We should pay a lot of attention to Bono. We should put a lot in there. So I'll plead with our Greek minister, Mr. Eric Opoku. Let us make Bono one of the most cherished regions. You bet me use Bono to unlock agriculture potentials. Momia, use Bono to unlock our agriculture potential. Because you say right now, no, we want to rely on agriculture a lot. And John Mahama, and the first time we know, he has decided say Obama agric and as Ekuyayono take center stage in our economy or country building. And let us unlock, because there's a lot of potential when it comes to agriculture in the Bono region. They are accessible people. They are one of the most finest people. You don't really see them taking too much sides when it comes to Omokwe Juma and Nisania, Omopeso Mobuwa Maino. Bono people have always been neutral, and if you have followed Ghana politics very well, you can align people with some things, some tribe with some things, some group of, but it is very difficult to align Bono with one or a particular ideology. They are not like that. Omudiani said, give them what they want, they will deliver. So let us pump a lot of money into the region. Let us open the region up. Let us create a lot of opportunities through the agriculture sector, and then let us see our agriculture sector grow. Bono as a region can change the agri sector. I'm telling you. Upe koko fua, Bono koko wa Bono ebi ni baby bebri. Upe ebrofua, oko Bono ebrofua Bono baby bebri ni ho. Ope bodio, ope menkei bayire banchi. Just say if you want real food, that is where it is. So why are we not putting a lot of effort in Bono? In the John Dramani Mahama Okatakyie Ghana for say the Bono region is time for them to also see say important to Ghana. Into Bono for move on support entire John Mahama and NDC because they are seeing your potential. They want to assist you. They want to use a Bono to save Ghana agriculture. Any or minor send your. I'll come back to this matter again because it's very important to me. And this is the time you should all come together and tell the government you are ready and willing to work as a unit to bring development to the Bono region. One beautiful region. Very, very green. Very, very wonderful region. And Yatinahama, Nipebi Atoto Bonase, but Bono, we all know. Intermediate, what the advice I'll give the Agric Minister, pay attention to the Bono region. The way the president is paying attention to the Bono region, I will advise the Agric Minister to pay very good attention to the Bono region. Let us open it up. Farmer Service Center, let more go there. Let us help a lot of the farmers there. Let us expand them. Let us resource them. And I know within a year or two, Bono can feed this nation without any hustle. All right.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. Cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity, are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,